Amazon's robotics strategy is in focus this week as they announce new AI and robotic fleet updates designed to help the company lower costs. Kate Rooney has more on these savings. Wait, Kate, are these robot factory workers? I thought they were going to be, like the ones that Tesla's working on that are going to do my dishes or whatever.
Oh, the humanoids. And we'll talk about that, Kelly. I think that's what we're all focused on. But these were more of software updates this week. But if you think about sort of the start of this big tech AI race, it's only been a couple of years, but Amazon CEO Andy Jassy has made the case repeatedly that this technology is going to help the business internally. He's said at certain points, they're not just competing because it's the newest buzzword and that it's cool, as he's described it. We are seeing more proof of that. At this point, AI is emerging as a way for Amazon to keep costs down within the e-commerce business, in part by using robots. Some folks call this physical AI, especially in Silicon Valley. They're really trying to streamline the supply chain as well. Amazon right now needs this more than ever with the threat of tariffs. Shares negative on the year and really have been kind of in the middle of the Mag 7 pack. This week, Amazon did roll out some incremental AI updates. One model is meant to speed up delivery. Another is to upgrade its fleet of robots on the software side, which in turn would help automate warehouses and keep costs down. The key for investors here is margins. So right now, Amazon's business, it's roughly 11% operating margins. Gene Munster over at Deepwater thinks that could go to 15% if all of these AI efforts pay off. He compared it to Tesla's strategy and thinks the bulk of the value right now for Amazon and AI, it's in fulfillment center robots. Morgan Stanley also weighing in today, calling Amazon an underappreciated Gen AI winner, citing recent investments in automating $200 billion in logistics costs.
Yeah, and I don't mean to be glib, because if they can use robotics or AI to actually speed up the delivery process, that is a huge deal for the company.
Definitely. It's so interesting you brought up humanoids, too. I mean, those are kind of the exciting part. But I would say 99% of this at this point in terms of robotics are these robotic arms. You got these things that kind of look like these Roombas that go around the factory space. But if they can lower cost overall and also make delivery faster, there's a flywheel effect with Prime memberships.
Yeah.
People are demanding things at their doorstep much faster. That's going to help them maintain that, speed up delivery, keep Prime members engaged, and it kind of fits in the big picture.
It reminds me of, both Amazon and Meta are basically using the technology to do what they already do better, as opposed to pivoting into kind of brand new businesses, at least for now.
That's a great point. And Google, yeah.
Yeah. Kate, thanks very much. Kate Rooney.